baby. No, I'm kidding. I'm just feeling good. Oh, what the hell. Anyways, back with another video. So as you guys know, I am back from Dubai. If you didn't know, oh, I ran up the stairs. Clearly shows that I'm unfit. Anyway, so I just came back from Dubai. If you don't know, it's because you haven't been watching my vlog. So go back, watch the vlog, and come back to this one. But anyways, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be going on a 3-day detox juicing cleanse. So I'm just going to be drinking juices. That is it. I'm trying to slim down a little bit. I feel like I gained a little bit too much weight. So I'm trying to do this. And as well as, you know what, New Year kickoff, you know. The start of New Year, why not be a little healthy? Because, you know, I was in Dubai, like I said, I was eating everything and anything, wasn't really watching the time or any of that stuff. So I'm just trying to get my body back to what it was before, and as well as just be healthy just in general. Because I feel like once you put it in your head that you just want to lose weight just to lose weight, instead of actually wanting to be healthy and actually wanting to improve your lifestyle, there's a difference between the two, you know what I mean? You put in work when it's more work when it's part of just a routine than for you to just be doing it for a result and then going back to eating McDonald's and eating trash. So anyways, I'm going to be, I already went grocery shopping. I'm gonna put a picture here or somewhere on the screen to show you guys what I got, and then come on with me. We're gonna go down to my kitchen and we're gonna start. Okay, so I was going to be blending majority of them, but you know what, I got too lazy. So this is a strawberry one. Just gotta give it a shake. There's the celery stick one that everybody raves about. Blueberry and strawberry. And then there's this one, which is a green attack, which is pineapple and spinach. I'm gonna be blending every single day. Like when I run out of juice, I've blended a couple. This is like the stock that I have right now. And then once I run out, I'm gonna blend again. There's all the groceries in the back. I'm just way too lazy to blend everything. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning when I start my day on this 3-day cleanse. Yay. Okay, morning guys. Obviously it's the next morning. I'm getting ready for work. I'm about to go downstairs and have my first juice. I think what I'm going to do is, because I work 8-hour shifts, I'm going to bring 3 juices with me and then have 2 juices at night. I'm going to try to have like all my juices by latest, I want to say like 8 and 9 o'clock. Just because like I'm gonna try to do the intermediate thing, I guess, whatever with the juices. But mornings aren't gonna be that hard for me, I feel, just because mornings I already don't really eat. Most I do is grab a bowl of cereal in the morning because I'm not really like a breakfast eating person. I think it's gonna be harder for me during the day because I like to munch on snacks and I'm not gonna be able to. So what I'm gonna do is the first day, if I do get really hungry and I really can't make it, like I will limit myself, if anything, to having soup. If not soup, then I'll just have like fruits or stuff, just because I'm already having fruits in the juicing anyway, so it kind of comes to the same thing. But anyways, come on down, we're gonna go have our first juice and we're gonna get this juicing started. I didn't weigh myself, but the last time I did weigh myself, I was at 135 pounds. I'm 5'4". So like that's a generally pretty good weight. I'm really doing it just because I feel like I'm a little bit bloated in my stomach and I want to get that bloating down. So yeah, come on with. So I'm currently editing. I know I look crazy or whatever, but day 1 went pretty well. I'm gonna put some snaps here and here, some videos, some little snapshots of me drinking my smoothies during the day. To be honest, day 1 was a little bit hard just because obviously I was hungry and I wanted food. But I'm hoping day 2 and day 3 will be easier. I will show you guys if I lose any weight. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. It is currently 8:19. Ooh, 8:19. I already got ready and all that stuff. I'm about to go downstairs, get my 3 juices for the day for work. I will say that yesterday I was super duper hungry. This diet is not made for the weak. And if anybody knows me, then you know I like food. Sorry, I sound super duper nasally right now because I'm a little bit sick. But I will say that yesterday I got a little bit hungry. So what I ended up doing, because I didn't want to have food, I didn't want to have actual food, I just got a cup of juice, like actual juice, like watermelon, and I was actually okay. Like I went back to bed, so it wasn't that bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna go grab my juice, and then I'm gonna go grab my juice, and I'll be right back. My juice for the day. I try to have at least 5 juices, like I just said, I mentioned, but I work an 8-hour shift, so I usually try to bring 3 juices with me. One of the juices that I made, I absolutely hated it, but I still had it because I had to. I was hungry. I wasn't gonna fold and get juice. I haven't weighed myself yet to see if I've lost any weight. I'm gonna try going to the gym either today or tomorrow. And we'll see if I lose any weight, if my stomach looks any smaller, if this diet is worth it, if it's not worth it. So let go. So day 2 is done. I literally just got home from work. To be honest, this juicing thing is not for the weak. It's definitely mind over matter, because like it's hard being like on a juicing diet and like you're seeing people around you eating, or you're seeing people around you like literally stuffing their face, and you're sitting there like, God damn, I'm hungry. But I will say that just in the little 2 days that I have been on this diet, I will say that in the morning, like this morning, I felt super duper energized, and usually I'm like super tired. Like I'm definitely one of those people who need coffee, and I haven't had coffee in like 2 days, and I thought I was gonna be dying, but honestly, like I'm doing pretty okay, and I feel like I have way more energy in the mornings when I am waking up. And to be quite honest, day 2 wasn't that hard. Like as of right now, I'm not even hungry. It's literally mind over matter. I'm not hungry. And the juices honestly don't even taste that bad. This one is one of the green ones, and it is pineapple, spinach, and coconut water. And to be honest, like I feel like I was gonna taste the spinach, and I don't mind spinach, but I only really like spinach like in my eggs, or like if it's like actually like cooked and like I'm eating it with like rice. Eating it by itself, no, 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 no. But I will say that I weighed myself this morning, and at the beginning of this I weighed 140 pounds, and I've already lost 3 pounds. So I've already lost 3 pounds. So I mean, 3 pounds for literally just drinking juice and not doing anything, like that's amazing. And to be honest, my stomach doesn't seem as bloated. So and this is the definition we wanted, baby. So there's that. So I mean, I'm gonna keep juicing. Obviously you can juice for a lot longer than 3 days. I'm just gonna do 3 days. I think after, at the end of the 3 days, I'm going to become a pescatarian. If you don't know what that is, that means I'm gonna cut out meat. For the longest time, like whenever I do eat red meat, it like actually hurts my stomach. I feel like I maybe overdid eating red meat, that like my stomach has a hard time digesting it. So I think I'm gonna try being a pescatarian for a bit, where I'm just gonna eat fish, seafood, and I'm going to concentrate drinking more of my veggies and stuff like that. So I mean, I've already lost 5 pounds for not doing anything. My stomach looks less bloated than it did before, so that's what's up, because my stomach is my problematic area. And to be honest, this is me doing just a juicing diet. I'm not even working out. I'm not even doing anything. So when I do start getting into the gym, just know it's over for you bitches. It's over. Period. But anyways, yeah, so that's the day 2. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys, because I obviously talked to you guys this morning, so that's what it is. So I'm going to go relax and chill and all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. What it do? So obviously I'm back at it again with another video, whatever. Hey, sorry, can we like applaud for this quality? Like, whoa, quality is looking shebangin'. Anyways, so today is the last day of my juicing. I can finally go back to eating normal foods, thank the Lord. And you guys had some questions, so I'ma answer them. I had it written down, obviously, but obviously now that I'm filming, I can't find them. But I'm gonna answer some questions that people asked me on Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, I'm gonna put it in the description box for you guys to follow me, so you guys can be part of these things when I ask questions. Someone asked me, why did you decide to do it? I decided to do it just because it was the start of the new year. If you didn't know, I just came back from Dubai. You would have known if you watch my vlogs. But anyways, I just came back from Dubai, so like I ate like complete shit, we'll be honest. I ate like everything and anything I wanted over there. So when I came back, I decided to tell myself, you know what, I'm going to start off the year clean. I've always been in and out of the gym, but I wanted to be more consistent. So I was like, you know what, let me do this 3 day cleanse, just so I can get my body right, my mind right, and all that stuff, so that I can start working out. So that's why I really did it, just to the new year. The recipes, a lot of people ask me about the recipes. I'm gonna put them in the description box, just because, like, again, like, I hate when people like put like recipes and it's like in the video, I have to stop, I have to rewind, I have to stop, I have to rewind. So the recipes, I'm gonna put them all in the description box. My favorite one thus far, though, my favorite one, because someone asked me what was my favorite recipe. My favorite recipe was the strawberry, blueberries, and coconut water. Very simple, those three, but they were so good. And the pineapple and spinach and coconut water. I'm someone who usually doesn't really like spinach unless it's like cooked or it's in my eggs. And even cooked, like, it's rare that I ever eat spinach just like that, but spinach in that smoothie was so good, like I couldn't even taste it. And that's my thing, as long as I can't taste it, like, it's good. Is it a cleanse? Yes, it is a sort of a cleanse. It's kind of like a detox. I'm actually gonna go on the internet just so I can give you guys the like real reason behind juicing. But anyways, juicing is extra nutrients into the body to boost overall health. It's good in your anti-inflammatory compounds that may boost the immune system and you feel energetic. That's why I was telling you guys yesterday that I feel super duper energetic in the morning, and I'm usually someone who drinks coffee, so I thought I was going to die, but I made it out alive. Juicing also is good, get work more efficiently done, and healthy enzymes. So pretty much all together, like, it's a good thing to do once in a while, on a 3 to 4 day basis. Some people do it for longer than that, but I just did it for 3 days. But yeah. Someone asked, do you only juice or you eat salad, etc. during the day? So for the 3 days, I really tried to limit myself into only juice. There is one time where I did cheat, in the sense that I did drink regular juice, but that's because I was so hungry, but I didn't want to like cheat all the way. So I just drank like Fruitopia, like actual watermelon juice, and that was like enough to like make me not go hungry, and I just went to bed. Ingredients, how many juices per day? I would say if it is your first time juicing, I asked my trainer, and Nikki Lips, shout out to you, girl. I'm gonna put her information in the description box. But I asked my trainer, Nikki Lips, how many juices I should drink a day, and she recommended 5, just because it was the first time me juicing. But to be quite honest, the juices were so filling, more filling than I thought that they were really going to be, that instead of having 5 juices a day, I would have like 3.5 juices a day. Ingredients, how you made it so watery, where did you get the jars? Okay, so the ingredients, like I said, I'm gonna put all the recipes and all that stuff to the juices that I made. I'm going to put them in the description box, just so you guys don't have to be pausing, stopping, because nobody has time for that. And I got the jars at Walmart. The mason jars came in a box of 12 for $9, so it was pretty good. I did 5 juices a day, so if you do the math, that's about 15 jars. But I already had like certain jars that I had already bought previously from Dollarama, so I had those. What exactly does this do? So like I mentioned, it's kind of like a cleanse. It's a good way to lose weight. I wanted to particularly lose weight in my midsection because my abs is where I feel like I lack, or the part of my body that I don't really like the most and I want to change. So that's why I did that, because I wanted to lose weight and I wanted to drop it fast. So overall, juicing was hard. Definitely someone like me who likes food, it was definitely hard only limiting myself to juicing and nothing else. Like, that was hard. I will say that the recipes were filling, like, for the most part. The first day was the hardest. Once you get past over the first day, the second day was like whatever, and then the third day was just easy, like it was just routine. So I feel like you just need to give yourself some time to get used to just juicing. The only thing I will say, and I don't know if this has to do with juicing, but I did break out. You guys can see that I like broke out. I don't know if that's from juicing, I don't know what it is, but I did break out. That's the only thing that I'm just like, oh my god, because my skin is usually clear as hell. But I did break out. But yeah, no, overall, honestly, like, it was hard, but it was whatever. But you know what? A girl lost in 3 days. In 3 days. In 3 days, no workout, I lost a total of 9 pounds. So if you're looking, juicing is definitely one of those things that if you're looking to like drop weight really quickly, without doing as much work, like going to the gym and stuff like that, then you should definitely consider juicing. Again, like, I'm not a dietitian. Don't nobody sue me for nothing. This is a disclaimer. Everything that I'm using or that I'm doing for myself. I'm not encouraging you to do it. I'm not encouraging you to starve yourself. I'm not even encouraging you to do juicing at all. I'm just giving you guys my experience on what I went through. So yeah, that's the only thing that I say that I didn't really necessarily like, is that I'm breaking out from it. But other than that, to be honest, juicing was hard. Like, again, it's not made for the weak. I'm gonna put some snapshots everywhere so you guys can see that, like, I was struggling juicing, but I am happy with the results. Am I going to continue? Probably not, just because I do like food. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly transition into becoming a pescatarian. I'm going to cut out meat. To be honest, red meat for the last couple bit hurts my stomach. I don't know why. It just does. It's like my stomach doesn't like it anymore. I don't really know what it is, but my stomach just doesn't like it. So I think I'm gonna just cut out red meat. I'm probably gonna do chicken, but in the beginning I'm really gonna try to stick to just doing pescatarian. I'm gonna go to the gym more. Before I did do my juicing, I was going to the gym. But again, like, when you're juicing, like, if you don't have the energy, you don't feel well enough, then don't work out. And to be honest, with the fact that I'm like go, like, I'm always running around and doing stuff, I was honestly so tired on the juicing that I just couldn't go to the gym. Like, I'm probably gonna go to the gym tomorrow, but I couldn't do it while juicing. But that's pretty much it. Like, I don't really know if there's anything that I didn't mention, or you guys still have questions about juicing, then honestly definitely let me know. Again, the recipes are going to be in the description box, just because there's so many of them that I made at least 4 or 5 different juices, so it's all going to be in the description box for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, liking, ringing that bell, and doing all of the above. I will catch you guys in the next one. This is your girl Charlie, and I'm signing off.
Act up, you can get smashed up.